Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. I got the jars actually super quick. I got the replacement jars for the ones that were broken, and they did it again. Not that they broke them. These are fine. At least as far as I know, I haven't opened the second box yet, but I will. But what they did is that each one of these boxes is 30 jars, a pack of 30, and I only ordered 2 packs of 30. And right here there was, I wrote it down from my bill. It was 30 packs, a 30 pack for $5.99, $15.99. Sorry about that. So a total came to $69.49 for two 30 packs. But what I got is I got two more cases. So each box came with, I ended up getting 2 boxes from Amazon, the Amazon boxes. And in each Amazon box, they had two of the 30 count. So I got 60 in each Amazon box. So I got 2 extra things of canning jars, the 8-ounce half pints, um, with the shipment. And then when I called them to tell them that the one box was broke, before I realized that, they had already given me extra jars, according to what I ordered, I did double check and it did say a pack of 30. So that I had ordered 2 packs of 30, so I should have only had 60 jars. Um, but when I called them about the jars that did break, they, because I wasn't sure at that point if I had gotten extra or not. Um, After that, I did do a little bit more research and found out that I guess I did. So, anyways, they sent me replacements for the ones that broke. Um, but what they did is they sent me out another 2 cases, so I have another 60 jars. So I don't know if you guys want jars. Check out these jars because they're sending them out not just 30 packs, they're sending out a lot more than that. So just to replace one box of 30 that had a few smashed in there, they sent me 60. So yeah, if you want to check it out, it might be worth checking out because now I have more jars. Um, I tried explaining to the gentleman that I talked to at Amazon, and he said that they shipped what was supposed to be shipped, so I don't quite understand it. But anyways, I got the replacements for the ones that were broken. I'll have to check the other box to make sure that those came out okay. But so far they took good care of this one. So, all right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep each and every one of you, your friends and family, safe. Bye for now.